When rain fall, we don't split up. We can't give up that easy. When I'm down, you say get up. I just wanna thank you, baby. You got prayers that give me a fill up. I'm not always grateful for times you forgive me. I never ran in the love that you give me. I'll never run from the love you give me, baby. Yeah. Come and put the weight on me, yeah. Glad that you waited on me, yo. Glad that you waited on me. Tries get to coming, you gon' play it off me. Don't play it with my wife. Cause we can get it poppin' when we meet. I'll die for mine, no hesitation. I found something special. I found something special to me. I found something special. I found something special. Want you letting your business. Want a ring on your hand to make it different. You could say the vibe, but you gotta stay committed.
Good morning, you guys. Good morning, y'all. Happy Sunday. Today is Mother's Day. I just wanted to hop on here and say Happy Mother's Day. It is 7:35 in the morning. I'm about to go out and walk. It feels so good outside. I hope you all have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Mother's Day and get all your flowers. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on and say that, and I will talk to you guys later.
I found something special to me. I found something special. I found something special.
I found something special. I found.
I just came in from my walk. I walked for 20 minutes, just around my complex. I'm washing a load of clothes, washing my work clothes. Then I'm gonna wash my towels next. Then I'm about to drink me a cup of coffee. I don't even drink coffee, y'all. But I got some coffee here. I bought some coffee when I went grocery shopping, I think last month. But I'm gonna drink it today. I want some coffee. I'll make me some bacon and eggs, of course, or sausage and eggs. I don't know what I got in there. I was just wiping the stove down because I cooked the leftover taco meat that I had from Friday night. I made me 2 more tacos yesterday, and that's the last of the meat. Just a little pack of ground meat that I had. Hey y'all. I'm at work, y'all. I'm just sitting outside. It's nice out here tonight. Nice and cool. So I was just checking in, say hi. Hope y'all doing all right. It is like 2 o'clock in the morning. So let me get on here and talk to my people. Because I didn't record anything yesterday. Why not? Why didn't I record yesterday? I was tired yesterday, y'all. And then I had another Zoom call. Well, I had a Google Meet with my personal trainer. And yeah, I had a Google Meet with my personal trainer. So that was like 35 minutes that I talked to her and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm a little sleepy. It's cold out here. It's cold, y'all. What I was about to say? Yeah, I'm supposed to start some new training tonight on the computers, with a new position here. I didn't really want to do it, y'all, but I do it, whatever. So I do like front desk. Yeah, we'll talk about it later, because if she don't say nothing, I'm not gonna say nothing. It was something else I had to tell you. Oh, I go to the doctor this morning. I gotta be to the doctor at 11 o'clock this morning. So, and I think I'm gonna go look for me a car today, y'all. I need me a car. I figured out that's my problem. That's why I be so down. Because it's the longest I've been without a car. And it's getting to me because I just sit in the house. And it's getting to me, y'all. I think that's what the problem is. So, yeah. It's so pretty out here. It's 2 fire pits out here. Usually they're on, but yeah. So okay, y'all, I was just dropping in to say hi, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Should stay here. I want every little bit. I ain't never seen it drip like this. Heaven at my fingertips. Let's not let a minute slip. Just say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Yeah, I hope you don't sleep on me. I've got good and plenty, inhabit all the spaces in between. It's magic when I taste you in a bit. Average day is spent all in the sheets. Emphatic when I tell
Hey
you it's
y'all,
me.
good morning. I hope everybody is doing well. I just left the grocery store, y'all. I just left Kroger's, so I'm just gonna do a small grocery haul, y'all. I don't have much, but I got some cereal. I got 2 boxes of the macaroni and cheese. I got some strawberries and blueberries to put in my yogurt. I got some zesty Italian. I'm gonna put this on some chicken, y'all. It's so good. Let your chicken marinate on this for overnight, or just say 30 minutes or so, and then put it in the oven. Top tier. I got some aluminum foil. I needed some light bulbs. That's what I did not get. I got some oatmeal. I like this kind of oatmeal, y'all. I got some chicken wings, which you know I'm about to divide these up. I usually cut them, but I'm not gonna cut them today because I got something to do in literally 4 minutes. I got something to do. I got some thin cut chicken breast. I got some cube steak. It's 4 in a pack. 4 cube steaks. And I got the chicken drumsticks. This is what I'm going to use with the Italian dressing. And I got some beef bottom round steak. That is what I got from the grocery store, you guys. I'm about to put this stuff up. I got a meeting in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So I will talk to you guys later. Hopefully I can upload this video today because I didn't put nothing out the rest of the week. I haven't been cooking, y'all. I haven't been doing anything. My kid's father sent me a plate of brown stew chicken and rice. So I ate on that one day. And then I had cooked before I knew he was sending me food. And I've been eating off of that for 2 days. But anyway, you guys, I will talk to you guys later. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. My meeting went good. Everything went good. Everything is good. Just look at the mess I be making in my house. Look at this. This is awful. This is awful, y'all. This is the mess that I make the days I work because I just throw everything everywhere. I'm about to put up my grocery. Well, I put up the meat and stuff. I put up the mac and cheese and stuff like that. I just need to put the rest of the stuff up, wipe my counters down. I'm gonna go hit my bathroom. Today is my grandson's Saray birthday, and my daughter is having a party for him. Hopefully I can get up in time and go out there because she stayed like an hour away from me, y'all. And plus I gotta go back to work tonight. So I don't know how that's gonna work, but I hate to miss it. I don't wanna do that. So yeah, I'll do what I can. You know what I mean? So yep, y'all. I'm just here. But anyway, I'm about to clean up. I'm really sleepy. And then I'm gonna go take me a shower. Get my behind in the bed. Hopefully I get up on time to go to this boy's party. I don't want to disappoint nobody, but y'all, I be tired. And I didn't sleep good yesterday because I was on the phone. Yeah, I was on the phone running my mouth with my friend, and
something special.
I found something special. I found something special. I found something special. I found something special.
You're too far away. Make no mistake. Hey, I think you should stay. I want every little bit. I ain't never seen it drip like this. Heaven at my fingertips. Let's not let a minute slip. Just say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Yeah, I hope you don't sleep on me. I've got good and plenty, inhabit all the spaces in between. It's magic when I taste you in a beat. Average day is spent all in the sheets. Emphatic when I tell you what you mean to me. Chemistry, intimate memories. Every time. I see the one I want. There she go. You talk to me, I get all nervous. The way you pray, I get encouraged. I pray that I get the courage to talk to you. Cause baby girl, the one I want for real. Cause she a wife, I see her fruits for real. For real. You remind me of a girl that I've prayed for. See her face whenever I look at you, girl. Wouldn't believe all of the days I prayed for you. Now that I got you, I'm gonna stay with you. You remind me of a girl that I pray for. See her face whenever I look at you, girl. Can't believe all of the times I wasted on all these worldly ways. I know it's done me right. When rain fall, we don't split up. We can't give up that easy. When I'm down, you say get up. I just wanna thank you, baby. You got prayers that give me a fill up. I'm not always grateful for times you forgive me. I never ran in the love that you give me. I'll never run from the love you give me, baby. Yeah. Come and put the weight on me, yeah. Glad that you waited on me, yo. Glad that you waited on me. Trials get to coming, you gon' pray it off me. Don't play it with my wife. Cause we can get it poppin' when we meet. I'll die for mine, no hesitation. I found something special. I found something special to me.
Y'all, I bought these Crocs. I bought these Crocs for work. Y'all, I spent so much money to find some comfort in some shoes. So we're gonna see how these work, because them other ones, they was all right for the moment. After that, they was killing my damn feet. But okay, I just want to show y'all that. Let me get back to cleaning my house while I get sleep.
I made a commitment, so I'm staying with it. Gotta make a decision. It's either you in or you isn't. Self-esteem can't have a position, cause you not the only one in it. You can set a vows, but it mean nothing when you lacking commitment. It's gonna be wrong, don't torture. Only way to get through it is forgive it. I found something special. I found something special to me. I found something special. I found something special.
I found something special. I found